Yeah, yeah. Jyoti, can you please tell
Yes,
us
sir.
about yourself?
Sure, sir. Sir, I'm Jyoti Kumari from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Born and brought up in Jharkhand only, and I did my primary and secondary schooling from Bokaro Steel City. Further to this, I did a BSc in Chemistry Honors from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. After that, I pursued MBA in Finance from Xavier Institute of Social Service, Ranchi. After MBA, I got placed with Jharkhand State Livelihood Promotion Society, wherein I was posted as a management trainee or YP Finance, and I worked with that organization for 3 years. Then I took a break of 2 years. Then I took break for preparation of banking examination, and recently I have done a certification from IIM Bangalore on forex trading, on foreign exchange, and on financial accounting. Thank you, sir.
You're done. From which institute?
I am Bangalore.
Oh, Indian Institute of Management.
Bangalore. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What did you study in that certification?
Sir, if you're talking about forex or financial accounting,
Forex,
I did
forex.
two certificates. In forex, I studied various regulations that we have in FEMA, and how various type of letter of credit and bank guarantee. How does it facilitates export, import, export across cross overseas. So various methods of financing working capital management, these things I studied.
Please talk to me about FEDI.
Okay. Fed. So FEDI is Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, which is a government body that whose primary objective, which facilitates the uh, um, foreign which has the facilitates the authorized dealing of various financial institutions that India is having, both private sector, public sector banks, and of private sector banks that are regulated by Reserve Bank of India and facilitates foreign exchange trading across borders.
Yeah. Why is it said that foreign exchange market is there for 24 hours in a day?
Sir,
Have you heard about this?
yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, because foreign exchange market is provides facility across various countries, and if one country is having evening, then another country is having its morning, so it is a 24 hours a day, because it doesn't stop provided we are on a weekend. Other than this, it doesn't stop, because every day, every other country, it is working
Hmm.
because of different time horizon, mainly working time horizon.
Okay. So, what is the value of one US dollar to Indian rupee roughly?
So it is 83.586 rupees.
What about pound sterling?
Sir, that is I think 83. No, that I think is 105.8. Yes.
हम्म, थोड़ा कम हो गया ना. It was like that, but बाद में कुछ कम हो गया था.
Sir,
पता नहीं अभी
recently,
क्या है. हाँ,
like
अभी भी
in the evening
105.
from
अभी भी
RBI
105.
website. Yes.
अभी भी
Yes.
105. Correct. Good. What is 1 euro?
Sir, 1 euro is around 83 rupees something.
89.
83 points.
89
Okay,
Baba.
sorry, 89, 89 point something. Sorry.
Yeah, 100 Japanese yen is equal to.
52.5 rupees.
Good. Very good. You
Yes.
told this very nicely. I'm happy. Yeah.
Thanks.
Just a minute. Where are we now? I was going through this. Correct. Can you elaborate about FEMA? FEMA, why FEMA, how FEMA, what is FEMA, how it is helpful for banks, how it is helpful for citizens. It's an
Sure, sir.
essay. It's an essay-like question. Bada question.
Okay. Sir, FEMA is Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. It came into effect after FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, that was I think in 1971 enacted, and on 1st June 2000, FEMA Act 1991 was enacted. It says it facilitates the foreign exchange across the borders in India, and it is regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Its main roles and responsibilities are like facilitating international trade and payments, attracting foreign investments such as foreign direct investment and foreign institutional investments. Then it ensures market stability across foreign market, forex market. It regulates transactions among various countries in foreign exchange market, and hence it supports economic policy objectives of the country, because of export import is the essential parameter or pillar of our country. For the economic growth of our country, it is an essential parameter. Sir, I'm done.
Hmm. Yeah. Good. Um, no, FEMA, what are the important provisions of FEMA you can remember in terms of residence?
So, in terms of that it is a liberalized remittance scheme, which LRS, which is regulated, li- provides the remittance amount that a per resident Indian can send abroad is 2,50,000 dollars without the prior approval of RBI. After further to in a financial year, further to that amount, a person has to take approval from Reserve Bank of India.
To what is the amount limit up to which money can be
The
remitted
limit,
abroad?
yes, the limit is 2,50,000 US dollar.
Good. Excellent.
Yes, thank
For private visits abroad,
you.
other than Nepal and Bhutan,
Yes, sir.
uh, ye- how much of foreign exchange can an individual obtain?
For private
Same
visits,
$250,000.
okay, okay.
Similarly, any resident individual may remit up to how much dollars as a gift or donation?
Sir, it is the 2,50,000 only.
Same only.
Yes, sir.
A person going abroad for employment, how much can he take with him?
Again, the
Same
same amount,
same
sir.
two lakhs
Yes,
fifty
sir.
thousand.
Yes, sir. Yes,
A
sir.
person wanting to emigrate can draw foreign exchange up to what amount? Same two
Immigrate
lakhs
and
fifty
the same
thousand.
amount. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everything same, Baba. For
Mm-hmm.
maintenance of relatives abroad, 2,50,000
The same,
in a
same
financial
amount.
year. For
Yes.
business trips, 2,50,000 financial year. Medical
Yes,
treatment abroad, 2,50,000.
in a financial year.
Facilities available for students for studying abroad, $250,000. Same thing only, no problem.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
If it is going to be more than that, they have to get the approval of RBA.
Reserve Bank of India.
So
Yes.
up to this amount, authorized dealers can remit it themselves. Can you tell me
Mm.
who are authorized dealers?
Okay. Sir, authorized dealers are financial institutions that have received license from
Super,
FEDI
super.
and FEDI
Not
and
FEDI,
the
not
Reserve
FEDI,
Bank of India.
not FEDI, not FEDI, RBI.
Okay, Reserve Bank of India to
Ah,
uh, to uh, uh, to facilitate their service in various
foreign exchange.
foreign exchange dealings such as money exchanging as a full fledged money exchangers or to make payments. So for various transactions, they are authorized by Reserve Bank of India. These are the
Super.
financial institution. It could be private sector bank or public sector bank.
Good,
Thank you, sir.
good. Can you name one or two private sector banks in authorized dealer?
Sure, sir. ICICI Bank, HDFC, AU Small Finance Bank.
अच्छा, AU स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक भी अप्रूव हो गया?
Sir,
हमने
it
सुना
was in
नहीं।
news. I don't know, sir. वो नहीं हो
तो
सकता. Sorry, sir.
उसका नाम मत बोलिए। आप
अच्छा
HDFC
अच्छा.
बोलिए, ICICI
हाँ,
बोलिए,
ICICI ठीक है.
एक्सिस बैंक, फेडरल बैंक, ऐसे
ठीक है
मत ही
सर.
बोल दीजिए।
Major
ठीक।
public sector banks. Okay,
या
sir.
पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक में तो आपको
Mm-hmm.
कैन
Private sector
एवरी
banks.
ऑल आर ऑल आर
हाँ, हाँ,
ऑल
हाँ.
आर
All 12
ऑथराइज्ड
banks are authorized. Yes, sir.
डीलर्स। गुड,
Mm-hmm.
excellent.
Thank
Are
you, sir.
RRBs authorized to do foreign exchange business?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Huh, huh,
Are
huh.
No, sir. Cooperative banks are authorized. Regional rural banks are not authorized to deal
Mm.
as
Even cooperative
ADBs.
banks, only big corporate, state level cooperative banks may be authorized. I'm not sure
Okay,
about
sir.
it. आप चेकअप कर
Okay, sir.
दीजिए।
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. Who is a non-resident?
Okay. So, non-resident Indian, right?
Hmm.
So, as per the definitions by Reserve Bank of Income Tax, there are two definitions. One is by Companies Act, and another is by income tax. So the non-resident persons are Indians are those who have not resided for more for 182 days or more in India,
In a
or
financial year.
those who in a
In a
financial year.
in a financial year. And
Yes.
of course,
Yes.
there are some more conditions are there. Within
Yes,
four
sir.
years,
Those who have gone for vocational purpose or employment,
yeah.
uh, even
No,
if
for
they have
example, within 4 years, if you have been there for 365 days, something
Mhm.
like that. Anyhow, doesn't
Yes.
matter.
Okay.
Good, very good. What is SWIFT?
Swift transactions. So, this is a mode of transaction in foreign exchange market through which we are able to transact in one to another countries in few minutes.
Not
Sir, I don't
transaction.
know it's
No, transaction नहीं है. It's a mode of remittance,
exchanging.
mode of communication.
Okay.
उसके बारे
Okay.
में पढ़ लीजिए,
Okay, sir.
नोट कर लीजिए, पढ़ लीजिए.
Sure, sir. Noted, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me what is letter of credit?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is a financial institution issued by a bank on behalf of a buyer, guaranteeing payment to the seller, provided the seller meets the terms and conditions specified in LC, letter of credit. It is widely used in international trade for various purposes, such as to mitigate the risk associated with cross border transaction, ensuring that the seller receives the payment and the buyer receives the goods or services that was agreed upon.
What is a
Done, sir.
guarantee?
So, bank guarantee.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
bank
please.
guarantee is another form of another financial institution that is again issued by a bank on behalf of
No,
the
but
buyer.
don't do not use the word financial. Financial institution is issuing, but this is a non-fund based facility.
Yes, sir.
Just as
Sir.
LC, it is issued by a
Mm-hmm.
financial institution. But the
Mm-hmm.
significance of that is it is a non-fund based
Fund
facility,
based.
and the
Mm-hmm.
bank has to pay the money only when LC is revoked.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
good. You have understood it nicely. I'm very happy.
Thank you, sir.
Now, you have told these two things also very well. Next one, kya bola aapne? What are the facilities offered by banks to exporters and importers?
Sir, in context of import and exporters, facilities provided by bank in context of exporter and importer, it could be two, majorly two. The packing credit for exporters, or which is also known as a pre-shipment credit, and another one is the post-shipment credit for exporters. For exporters. So, should I explain both
No,
of these?
no, no. Now, explain what is packing credit.
Sir, packing credit, it is also known as a pre-shipment credit, is a short-term working capital loan provided by financial institution to exporters in India. This type of credit mainly helps the exporter to procure the to provide financing credit facility for purchasing of raw material, processing, manufacturing, and packing of the goods before they are shipped to the overseas buyers. So
How
it
did
mainly aims to bridge the gap between the order receipt and the shipment of goods.
how did you read this much clearly? Have you undergone any other interview earlier in other institutions?
No, sir. You only had provided these many questions. These many questions yesterday in your WhatsApp group. Like, what are the major questions that are
Yeah, yeah,
important for UBI Forex? So
yeah,
I
yeah.
had gone through it, and prior to this, I have been studying these things, and I had studied these topics in for mains examination as well, right? For written examination. So.
Mhm. Good, excellent. Because you are able to answer me pat 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 pat. Itna clearly.
Yes,
What
sir.
is your daddy?
What is my daddy?
Ah,
My father has retired from SAIL as a super. He used to work in SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, Jharkhand.
Steel Authority of India Limited headquarters किधर है?
So, that I don't know.
हम्म?
SAIL
थोड़ा
Bokaro.
उसका बारे में भी सीख लीजिए.
Okay, sir.
And where did I give you this questions and all? In your page or
Sir, in WhatsApp group, you have
in
given these
WhatsApp
questions.
newspaper or where?
Um, Sir, yes, sir. In newspaper group only, you gave these questions.
अरे बाबा हमने उसको निकाल दिया. Why don't you forward it to me again? To me?
Sir, I thought you only had forwarded us, so you will definitely be having these questions.
I am
So
having
should
it,
I?
but वे आपका
Uh,
पास है तो भेज दीजिए ना. If you have, or
yes, sir. I
maybe
am having it. Bhej
please
do.
भेज दीजिए हमको. भेज दीजिए. Or
Okay,
you
sir.
post it in our newspaper group. That will do. You can also post in our own
Okay.
newspaper group में डाल दीजिए.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Or
Forwarded on both. Yes, sir. Bhej do.
I don't know why. So today only I erased everything because capacity ज़्यादा हो गया. अच्छा, thank God. अरे ये ने किसी ने भेजा था हमको. किसी एक
सर आपने शायद किसी लड़के का कल इंटरव्यू लिया था, तो उनको
हाँ.
बोला था कि ये सारे क्वेश्चंस बोले थे और उनको जॉट डाउन करने बोला था, तो
या
जॉट डाउन करके शायद ही माइट हैव फॉरवर्डेड.
या super 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 super. Same thing. These are all the important questions. Ah, oh, correct. The way I asked only she has given. Correct, correct. Correct, Baba. What do you know about UPI? हाँ?
सर
अभी देखो ना जो हमने बनाया हमको भी ये it has become
याद नहीं.
something new. Good, good.
हाँ,
But this will do. इतना पढ़ने से
yes.
आपको बिल्कुल पूरा हो जाएगा. plus credit management also, plus current affairs, plus your personality, etc. Something like that. For example, हम आपको I caught you by asking a question on sale, correct?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा में भी कभी कभी कुछ क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. आपका how many
Mm.
siblings are there, Jyoti?
Sir, we have four siblings, two brothers and two sisters, and I am the youngest one.
अच्छा, good.
And
Youngest.
my eldest brother is also working in Halifax, Canada.
Oh,
So,
here in
yes.
which place?
Halifax.
Where is Halifax? I don't
Sir,
know.
it is
Let
in
me check up.
Canada only.
I don't know. Halifax, Canada to Toronto distance.
But I think
Eight
it takes
ways,
2 hours.
8 ways to travel via train, plane, bus. Distance 1,266 kilometers
Yes, sir.
is 1,266 kilometers away in Canada, Halifax. Oh, good. It will cost nearly $160 to $270 to go. Anyhow, doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
What should we ask you now next? Where are we? Just a minute for 5 minutes. What was the question I asked you?
So the last question you asked me about UBI.
हाँ, correct, correct. उसके बारे में बोलिए. Tell me what all you know about UBI. You can talk for 2 3 minutes, no problem.
Okay,
Talk,
sir.
talk, talk.
Okay. So, Union Bank of India is a public sector owned public sector owned bank wherein the stake of government is around 74.76%, and it is headquartered in Mumbai, and it was founded in 1919. The present MD and CEO of UBI is Mrs. A. Meena Mekalai.
Manimekalai.
Money Mekalai.
Manimekalai.
And money maker like as per the recent financial report on financial report as on 31st March 2024, the total business size of UPI is around 21 lakh crore, out of which the deposits are around 20 more than 12 lakh crore, and the advances is around 9 lakh crore. uh, and this is what I know, sir.
What
It
is
where
what
so
is
far the businesses.
hmm, what is UA?
So for businesses of UBI is concerned, it provides services in forex trading, daily banking operations, on the retail banking. There are the various other export, import, trade financing. It is there are various branches of. It provides services related to various NRI service NRI accounts such as NRO, NRE, and FCNR. And
और
yes,
भी थोड़ा
this
अच्छा
is it.
prepare कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
Not that what you said is not sufficient, but अच्छा prepare कर सकते
Mm-hmm.
हैं. What is
Okay.
UA? UBA.
UBA. I don't know, sir.
It is Union Bank's virtual assistant, chatbot.
UBA.
आपने
Okay,
देखा
sir.
नहीं? Chatbot को देखा
नहीं
नहीं देखा? नहीं देखा.
नहीं नहीं देखा.
ये तो इधर ही है भाई.
अच्छा. यूनियन बैंक का वेबसाइट खोलते के साथ जो चैटबॉट आती है उसको बोल रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ,
ओके.
उसको क्यों आपने नहीं देखा? हाँ.
इससे देख.
So what should
ऐसे
हिंदी नहीं चाहिए. हिंदी तो I should have pressed English. I pressed Hindi. अरे बाबा, इसमें क्या बोलेगा?
Yes, sir. Ask UVA.
या
I saw.
अलाउ।
Mm-hmm.
ज्योति ने क्यों यूनियन बैंक को प्रॉपरली नहीं पढ़ा? आई एम आस्किंग। व्हाट इज इट टेलिंग? आर यू सीइंग?
Okay. नहीं। अच्छा, ये
कृपया
सारे भी वो आंसर करते हैं।
कृपया एक पैसे उधर प्रदान करे। व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस?
कृपया ये पैसे उधर प्रदान करें। अ, ये
दैट
पैसे
मीन्स
आप उधर साइड। आई डोंट नो।
नो, इट इज नॉट टेलिंग करेक्टली ना।
ओके सर, आई गॉट इट सर।
व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ झारखंड?
सर, रांची।
वो इधर देता है। इज इट आंसरिंग
ओह।
करेक्टली?
ओह, आई डोंट नो।
It is
लेट
it
मी
is
सी।
telling the same answer. It is telling कृपया एक something something, same thing it is telling. You ask in English.
Sir, please provide a valid answer. So I don't think it will. I asked this question: what is the capital of Jharkhand? It said, please provide a valid answer. So maybe they are just limiting it to the banking related
Exactly.
questions.
It cannot answer everything. It is not
Yes.
like Chat GPT which can answer everything.
Mm-hmm.
But आपने
Mm-hmm.
और भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ना है. Please note it.
Okay. Sir.
Number one, you have already done Union Bank of India. When was it started? Where is its headquarters? Who is the MD and CEO of UBI? How many
Mm-hmm.
branches are there in UBI at present? And how
Eight
many
thousand five
ATM?
hundred
No, no. How many
around.
ATMs are there? How many?
Okay. Sir.
Just note कर लीजिए. How many ATMs
Okay.
are there? And
Mm-hmm.
then after that, you should also know what you have already told correctly about what was the total business deposit advances. Then you must also tell return on assets, return on equity, then GNPA percentage and NNPA percentage. Then what is the share value, market value of share price of our UBI? What is the
Okay.
market capitalization of UBI? Then what is the UBI declared any dividend recently? How much is that? Then
Okay. Sir.
what are the awards it has received? What are the what are the awards it has received? And then
Okay.
what are the um, CSR activities done by the bank? That
Mhm.
also you should know. Okay, are
Okay.
you
Sir.
able to
Okay.
hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Um,
do I need to go through various financial statements of UPI, like a P&L or balance sheet?
Actually, because you are an MBA student, they
Hmm.
may, in some interviews, they have asked, have you gone through the balance sheet of our bank? What
Hmm.
are your comments about the balance sheet? What areas
Okay.
should be improved? Something like that. Sometimes they
Yes.
will put an embarrassing question to you. Please tell
Hmm.
me the pros and cons,
Hmm.
like that. उसको भी
Okay.
प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. ठीक है?
सर, तो उसमें क्या बोलेंगे प्रोज एंड कॉन्स में, लाइक
Pros,
इतनी बड़ी
pros, pros you can say about the increase in business, reduction in
ओके।
अच्छा ये reduction in GNPA, NNPA, increase in profits, ये सब बोल सकते हैं. Cons मत
अच्छा।
बोलिए. Cons आप बोलिए. To my knowledge, I have not come across any negative points.
ओके।
They cannot
ओके।
question you. No, no, no. You must tell some negative
हम्म।
points. ऐसा तो बोलेगा नहीं.
हम्म।
ठीक है? Very
ठीक है
good.
सर, गॉट इट।
So best wishes. God bless you.
Sir, yes, sir. And what are the various questions that can be asked based on current affairs related to forex? probable questions on current affairs.
See, how was our country managing during the Russia-Ukraine war?
Mhm.
Mostly, you must mention about the um, you must
It's
mention
importing
the
of crude
importing of
oil
crude
at
oil and
cheaper price, and
some currency being non-dollar currency being used by us. That is,
non-dollarization. Yes,
banks were permitted to open account in ruble. Similarly,
yes,
Indian banks were
and
asked to
was
open
to work
account in
on.
ruble in Russia,
Yes,
like that.
yes.
Then they can also ask you nostro kya hai, vostro kya hai, loro kya hai. Ah,
Mm-hmm.
like that. Both questions you just go through our material that will do. उधर से और भी questions पूछ सकते हैं. You are answering very well. I have no doubt about that. Just as that chartered accountant boy was answering very well. He is going for central bank.
Okay, sir.
So no problem. You have done really well in this interview. But
Okay, sir.
general banking, I have not asked. They may even ask sometimes general banking, what is negotiable instruments, what is section
Yes, sir.
138, like that. वो भी
Mm-hmm.
prepare कर दीजिए.
ओके सो
Thank you.
सर नेक्स्ट जो इंटरव्यू होगी वो
आपको किस
उसमें
तारीख इंटरव्यू है? किस तारीख इंटरव्यू है?
मेरी 1 जुलाई को है.
जो 1 मिनट इसको स्टॉप कर देगा.